Ever been woken up by your dog snoring like a little freight train? It's not just cute, it's got a reason. Dogs snore because of their unique anatomy, sleeping positions, and sometimes even their diet. Some breeds are natural snorers, and a heavy snooze can mean they're super relaxed. But sometimes it could be a hint to check their health. So next time your pup's snoring away, remember, it's their own quirky way of catching some serious Z's. If you love discovering these funny pet facts, smash that like button and follow for more amazing insights.